In number 5, all we're asked to do is decide if each of these quadratic functions would open up or open down on the graph, and then decide if its vertex would be the maximum or minimum value on that graph. Now, to make this decision, all we have to do is look at the number that is attached to the x squared, or that number that ends up usually being right out front. So in this case, in part A, that would be the 3, and in part B, that would be the -2. And all we have to decide is that number positive or is that number negative? So in part A, that 3 is a positive number, which means that this opens up. That will happen every time. If that number is positive, it'll open up. In part B, that's a negative number out front there, so this opens down. The second part of the problem asks us to decide if the vertex is a maximum or a minimum. Well, if the parabola opens upward, that means it looks like this. And the vertex is right down there at the bottom, making it a minimum. If the parabola opens downward, like it does in B, that means it looks like this. So the vertex is a maximum. It's up at the top. So in this problem here, really no calculations to do. We just have to kind of recognize some patterns for quadratic functions.